This isn't just a car, it's a rolling legend bigger than your wildest dreams. Welcome back to the Gear Guru, where we chase down the most jaw-dropping machines on Earth. Today we're tackling the American Dream Limousine, the world's longest car, stretching over 100 feet of pure, unfiltered extravagance. Before we dive into this beast, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a gear pack drop. We're showcasing this icon in a slick showroom setting, and trust me, you're about to witness something so over the top it'll blow your mind. Let's roll into this record breaker. First, let's soak in this exterior. It's an absolute showstopper. Imagine a 100-foot-long stretch of gleaming gold paint built across 6 Cadillac Eldorado chassis, with this thing so massive it needs a hinge in the middle just to swing around a corner. Picture that pulling into your driveway. 4 scissor doors pop up like wings on a jet, giving it a vibe that's straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. That golden finish catches every light in this showroom, and the reflective marble floor doubles its dazzle. Those sharp angles, that endless silhouette, it's a rolling masterpiece that's got people searching online like mad. But here's the secret sauce. Not many creators are jumping on this yet. At the Gear Guru, we're serving up the exclusive look before it takes over YouTube. Now step inside with me, because this interior is where the American dream turns up the heat. We're talking a cabin that seats 75 people. 75, draped in plush red velvet that screams luxury from every corner. Neon lights pulse in wild shades, pink, green, blue, bathing the space in a party-ready glow. A massive flat-screen TV hangs mid-cabin, perfect for kicking back with movies or blasting tunes on the move. Then there's the full bar, stocked with champagne, crystal flutes sparkling under the showroom's cinematic lights, and a countertop so polished you could fix your hair in it. But it doesn't stop there. A mini golf course stretches down the middle. Picture sinking putts while cruising. It's not just a limo, it's a mobile mansion on steroids. Searches for this interior are spiking. Car nuts, luxury lovers, they're all dying to peek inside. But the content's still wide open. The Gear Guru's locking it down for you. Let's linger on that interior a bit more, because it's too wild to rush through. Those velvet seats, they're not just comfy, they're throne level with enough room to sprawl out like royalty. The neon lighting shifts colors on a whim, letting you set the vibe. Chill or full-on rave. That flat screen isn't some tiny add-on. It's a wall-sized beast, turning this limo into a rolling cinema. And the bar? It's got shelves lined with bottles, a mirrored backsplash, and enough space to host a toast for dozens. In this showroom, the glossy floor and spotlights make every detail pop. Pure 4K insanity. This is luxury dialed up to a level most cars can't even dream of. Back outside, let's circle this monster one more time. That gold paint isn't just a color, it's a flex, shimmering like liquid metal under these lights. Will stretch into the horizon and those scissor doors. They're begging for a slow-motion shot. Built in '86, wrecked, then restored in 2022. This car is a piece of history and still the longest ever. It's bold, it's ridiculous, and it's unforgettable. So what's your take on the American Dream Limousine? A 100-foot icon with room for a crowd and luxury that doesn't quit. It's too wild to pass up. If this deep dive got your gears turning, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and drop a comment. Would you cruise in this beast or just stare in awe? More wild rides are coming, so stick with the Gear Guru. Catch you in the next one. Keep dreaming big.